Hello everyone, this is Market Ready. So we talked in our last video about the optimal entry point and how the best price level to enter in a bullish candle is the lowest of the day, and the best uh, price level to enter when we have a bearish candle is the highest of the day. Here we have very beautiful example on GBP/USD. You can see we have here uh, the bearish candle. For those who are interested in this indicator, it's called power of three, and you can have on the left, on the right side, the daily candle as it forms during the day. You can see here. So, for example, so we can look. This is the opening. So you can observe that for me, as a share session is not the opening of the day. It's not when the day of up when the market open 1 hour after US session closes. For me, it's from 8 p.m. to midnight US time. So you can see very interesting here. You can see that we start the day bullish. This is right. This is the daily candle formation, how it formed through the day. So we have the opening here of the session. Price went all the way down, then all the way up, then come here. You can see that we have a bullish candles. The day start bullish, and you can see as we advance, the candle turned to be red. So we have a bearish candle that started bullish. You can see now we have the as a session. You can see that at specific time the candle returned to be bullish again. We took low, Asia low, and low day. This is previous day low, previous day high. As you can see, so we close the day bearish. Okay, so this is a beautiful bearish candle. It doesn't respect the pattern in the auto model we show previous time. This is not a reversal pattern, this is a continuation pattern. We're going to talk about it next time, but what is interesting is the candle that will follow. Okay, this is the new candle. So we started the day. This is the Asia session. Okay, so you can see this is the Asia session, and the bullish is, and the candle, the daily candle is bearish. We took Asia low. Here we have a price behavior, price action that we're going to talk about later with all the tools and the structure. I'm going to make a whole series and playlist about the tool I use, which are the market structure and the candlestick pattern and the AVG inversion and order block and breakers. You see? So we take Asia low and return again in the range. So for someone who will take, for me, he would have taken an entry, long entry here by the inversion of this VG. the version of this IVG in the 15 minutes, it will be okay for me. So I have enough uh, bullish pressure, and we returned not only within the Asian range, but we returned also within the range of previous day. So my entry will be here, and my stop loss will be below this. As you can see, my entry not exactly in the wick of the daily candle, but I'm still in the range of it, and I would more likely no 1 to 5, make it 1 to 3. We'll see what we'll have. Let's play. You can see we had 1 to 3 at 1 hour after London opens. See how smooth it was? And we bought at going long at the low of the day is buying at discount. The same way as going short at the high of the day is selling at premium, which means when we buy, we have to buy at the cheapest price. And when we sell, we have to sell the highest price. Let's just see how this candle ended. So price continues going up. This is the London session and the New York session. Most of the time when we will talk about it in my trade management and take profit. Most of the time when we have a very volatile and extended London session, the New York session will just push a little bit above the previous high of the day, and it will continue ranging after that. So my advice, if you have good London session, just take profit and leave. It doesn't worth it to enter London, to enter New York, to have this low range, because when you have such extended and high range in London session, New York will not get that far. So it doesn't worth it to enter in New York to have the price retrace that much. You and just for this, and it's very unlikely they will exit holiday. If you take a long, you will expect the price to go higher, but it will not. So from experience, yeah, if you have a good London session, just take profit, take the money, and close your computer and leave the short. Take it from me. The more you stay in the short, the more you stay in the market, the more you're gonna lose, and the more you stay in front of the short, the more you're gonna waste my money. That's it. This was the move of the day for excellent 5 hour. I will not consider the additional move in the New York session because, in my case, honestly, I will not enter New York if I have 5 hour during London session. I hope you get the idea about premium discount and how observing the current daily candle and buying at discount in the long position. That premium at the short and selling a premium in the short position is extremely important. And this is my reversal entry model, which is simply we have time cycle, time cycle, and we wait for the price to purge, then reverse. Purge or sweep, as you like, then reverse, which is selling at the high of the day, selling within the week of the current daily, current still forming daily candle, and which is just simply selling at discount, selling at premium. Sorry. On the other hand, in for a bullish entry, short position, yeah. For long position, we wait for purge, sweep, and reverse, then reverse of the previous time cycle low. In this case, reverse the previous time cycle high. This is why high and low of the day, how low is your session is extremely important. Cycle low, previous cycle low, this previous cycle high. Buying at the low of the day, buying within the week of the current still forming daily candle, and buying at discount. So this is premium You know what? I will put two examples. Yeah, two examples would be good. Yeah, discount, and this is something like this. So here it's the bullish stage of the daily candle. So it will be green, and here it will be red. Don't really like this red. Time cycle, we put it in yellow. Yeah, yellow. So we buy at the wick. It's not working. So that's it. We buy at the bullish stage of the candle.